In 1971, a Nobel Prize winning economist named Herbert Simon predicted something that sounds like it was written yesterday. He said that as the amount of information creates no over of attention. Let's talk about why that one night gives all everything, almost everything happening on right. Let's start. Simon's exact words were: in an information rich world, the wealth of information means a dearth of something else, a scarcity of whatever it is that information consumes. What information consumes is rather obvious. It consumes the attention of its recipients. Hence, wealth of information creates a poverty of attention and forces us to constantly decide what deserves our focus out of an overwhelming flood of options. Just superb. He wasn't talking about phones, there were none. He was talking about organizations drowning in paperwork. But he pointed out that people building information systems kept making the same mistake. They assumed the problem was too little information, when the real problem was too little attention to give. When the real problem was too little attention to give it. That single insight is the blueprint for the entire internet economy that came after him. Then, in 1997, a physicist named Michael Goldhaber took it further. He argued the global economy itself was shifting away from being material based towards being attention based, printing to the fact that so many of the most valuable services online were being given away for free. Free YouTube, free Instagram, free TikTok. Why give away something so valuable for nothing? Because the product was never the app. The product was, or more specifically, so how much of that resources are we actually giving away? As of early 2025, the average person worldwide spends around 1 minutes on social media alone. Depending on the sources and some the global daily source average 2 hours. Less than total screen time across all devices, work, streaming, and global average times to roughly 45, which works out at about 42% of run that forward, and the average person will spend around 90 years of their life staring at a screen. Down by platform that single time. TikTok 95 minutes a day. YouTube, Instagram around 38, 30. No the pattern. Every single those platforms runs an algorithmic feed. That algorithms consistently 30 more minutes of that's the entire product being around job. Keep attention here, not This is demonstration in real more time to write than anyone could consume thousands of times. The scarce content it always you because attention is captured. Now, what matters for any trying to time is where this is being trivia and starts being strategy. Information is the actual currency of the platform. Something else. Trust, sales, influence. Most people are losing end of that experience. They spend hours platforms and creators who actually monetize it. They get nothing back but a small learn attention and hooks pattern and yeah storytelling pattern interrupt DM structure and frameworks that focus 50, 30, 60 seconds long and the it's not it's legacy. It's standard actual mechanics of the environment you're operating because it's the uncomfortable truth. Whether you're a coach, a genuine owner, a freelancer, or a creator selling a $27 product, you're competing with the business. You're notification every feed, every 50-second video for the same fixed of if you don't understand how attention actually moves online, earns it, what name you want the result. In an economy, wins. I'm gonna teach you the skill that matters. So what actually is attention instead of consuming? Stay with me. There's a lot of information on this. Such a platform behavior keeping back specific ways. Our complete outperforms our direct. Tension beats information. Gap between what someone knows. Gap between what someone knows and what they want to know. Fact ever will. Trust it's random. Content that moves with a great arc, a hook, a rhyme problem, a turn, and a holds focus longer than any comment and just takes things in order. This is why creators post on and get results. While others bleed into silence, into the void, and that's the time economy. Information is infinite. Focus is not infinite. To have friends learn it, rather than spend it as a skill advantage online. No matter what they're doing or selling, if you want to go deeper and actually applying this, the attention is out and sales. That's how generally create growth. It's not related out if